People always ask me, how do you stop your AI books from getting flagged on Amazon? The answer is simple. You don't just publish raw AI drafts. You edit and polish them. And in this video, I'm going to show you live exactly how I take a ChatGPT draft, run it through Grammarly, and polish it until Grammarly's AI detector gives me the all clear. No gimmicks, no extra tools, just ChatGPT and Grammarly. And yes, you can do this all for free. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. Part 1. Generate the raw draft. Let's start by generating a short draft. I'll ask ChatGPT to write 300 words about the benefits of journaling. Here's what it spits out. Looks fine at first glance, but this is what most people try to publish raw. And that is the problem. AI text usually gets flagged because it's too clean and it's too predictable. Now, part 2, the first test in Grammarly. Okay, now we'll check Grammarly's AI detection. As you can see, it's labeling most of this as AI written. That's exactly what you don't want to publish straight from ChatGPT. So let's fix it. Part 2, editing with Grammarly. Here's where Grammarly makes the magic happen. First, look at these suggestions. Grammarly's flagging repetitive sentence structure. I'll accept a few changes to shorten some sentences and expand others for variety. Second, notice how Grammarly suggests swapping out words like individuals for people. AI loves formal robotic words. Humans don't write like that. By applying these edits, we start sounding natural. Third, I'll add a bit of my own voice right inside Grammarly. For example, instead of journaling is an effective tool for reducing stress, I'll type, honestly, journaling saved my sanity during college. Just getting my thoughts on paper cleared my head. That one human phrase completely changes the feel of the paragraph, and Grammarly lets me adjust that without rewriting the entire draft myself. Now, let's rerun Grammarly's AI detection on this updated version. Now look at that. Our human percentage just jumped way up. By following Grammarly's suggestions, swapping out robotic wording, and adding my own touch, this same draft now passes detection. Now here's the final version of our journaling draft. It's clean, natural, and it passes Grammarly's detection. This is the exact workflow I use before publishing any AI-generated text on KDP. So here's the process in plain English. Generate your draft in ChatGPT, paste it into Grammarly, then do 3 things. Vary sentence structure, swap stiff words and phrases for natural ones, and add a little bit of personal voice. Grammarly's suggestions make this fast, and the built-in AI detector confirms when you're done. So that's how you take a ChatGPT draft, run it through Grammarly, and make sure it passes AI detection. It's simple, it's fast, and it keeps your book safe. And if you want my full publishing system, prompts, editing workflows, launch strategies, it's all inside my course. You'll find the link down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to design amazing covers that actually convert. You got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.